Now, what's your name now?
Russell.
Russell. Okay. And give me some of the rules for the house. What are some of the rules?
Number one rule is oh yeah, chew with your mouth closed.
Okay.
Number two, shut the gate, and then number three.
What if your mouth is dirty?
If your mouth is dirty, use a napkin.
Very
or
good.
A paper towel, whatever.
That works. Okay.
And
no swearing? No bad words?
Oh, no bad words.
Okay. Yeah, we have a lot of rules around this house.
Yep.
But I like rules. The rules are good.
And no jumping on the couches.
That's right. And what about the dog?
We don't have a dog.
I know. I was just checking. How are you? You got any rules? Okay, tell me your rules.
Go tell him the rules.
Come on. Okay, tell me your rules.
No jumping on couch. You have a good face. You're not gonna white face.
So Clint, were those two cats yours?
Mess.
They lay pretty low. I haven't seen them rounded off.
If you make a mess, always clean it up.
Okay. Well, I think we've had enough of this right now, huh? I think we'll get back to just doing everything else. And that's Peyton. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.